The power of classification. Countries. This is the first video that has a closer relation to actual studying. It involves the classification of countries. To do it successfully, you must use existing knowledge. Existing knowledge is what you know already and is a vital tool to help with new learning. This is because you are building a metaphorical bridge between old learning and new learning. As you go through life, that is in effect what you are doing all the time. But here is the exercise we are doing in a more focused and intentional way. This is because you already know most of the countries in this list and where they are. That will facilitate greatly your classification. For the rest, you need to use your common sense and discernment. What does that mean? Your discernment is your capacity to make judgments. In this case, it means in which category does each country belong. Each category has a heading, and choosing the category involves discernment and common sense. Procedure. This list consists of 36 countries which need to be classified into 6 categories. Each category must be given a heading for the classification system to work. Choosing the headings requires discernment, which is an aspect of higher order learning that involves questioning and the correct questions to ask, such as, what continent is this? What part of the world is this? What is special about some of these countries? Where is the subscribe button, and why haven't you pressed it yet? A few of these countries can be put in one category or another. They do not have to always balance out at 6 countries. The 6 categories are given below for your assistance. A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. Oceania. E. Indian subcontinent. F. Islands. Write each word down and put a letter next to it until a pattern forms of categories to give you your classification. For example, A for Africa, B for Europe, C for Asia, D for Oceania, E for Indian subcontinent, F for islands. This exercise may require a research on the internet. There are 6 columns with 6 countries each. If in doubt, look up the country in Google. Make headings. Test yourself twice. 80% plus is excellent. Anything that has coherence or logical connections can be classified. This applies to almost all study material. It is evident from our 4 classification exercises that once you have related the objects or concepts, then given them a heading, and then 80% of recall is a normal result. Also, with practice, this will get faster and faster. We call this finding order in chaos, which the brain responds to, implementing it faster. This response is an automatic reaction in the brain. The satisfaction and feedback to this procedure is so strong that one will not revert back to the old habits of rote learning. So join us and see for yourself with your own eyes. Subscribe now for your weekly YouTube videos. We are currently offering free online consultations to parents of students and also adult students on cutting study time and rapidly improving marks. We also conduct free homework guidance sessions of 1 hour worth $60 for young students aged 8 to 18 in all subjects until the end of 2024. Subscribe now.